Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. So guys, at first tap on create account. Now select for myself. And now you need to enter your account name here. And after entering your name, just tap on next. Now here you need to give your birthday and your gender. Now tap on next. So guys, now here you have to pick a Gmail address, or you can also create your own. But I am creating my own Gmail address. And after creating, just tap on next button. And guys, here you need to enter your new password. So after entering your password, just tap on next. And guys, here you can give your phone number or you can skip it. But I am giving my phone number. Now swipe down and select I agree. And guys, doing these all steps, your Gmail account is created. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can create a Gmail account very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.